In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common companion in our daily lives. Managing stress is crucial for personal growth and mental wellness. It's essential to find ways to transform stress into serenity, and that's where mindfulness magic comes into play. Mindfulness techniques offer a powerful tool for reducing stress and promoting a sense of calmness in our hectic lives. By practicing mindfulness, we can cultivate a greater sense of awareness and presence in the moment, allowing us to navigate through life's challenges with grace and ease. In this video, we will explore practical tips and advice on how to harness the magic of mindfulness to transform stress into serenity. Get ready to embark on a journey towards a more peaceful and balanced life. Stress is a natural response to the demands and pressures of daily life, triggering our body's fight-or-flight response. Common sources of stress include work deadlines, financial worries, relationship issues, and health concerns. Prolonged stress can have detrimental effects on both our physical and mental well-being, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, irritability, anxiety, and even depression. It's crucial to recognize the signs of stress in our own lives to prevent it from taking a toll on our health. For example, feeling constantly overwhelmed, having trouble sleeping, or experiencing frequent headaches could be indicators of underlying stress. By understanding the impact of stress on our mental well-being, we can take proactive steps to manage it effectively and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of the current moment without judgment. It plays a crucial role in promoting present moment awareness, allowing individuals to tune into their thoughts, emotions, and sensations with clarity and acceptance. By incorporating mindfulness practices into our daily routine, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and resilience in the face of stressors. Mindfulness enables us to respond to challenging situations with a calm and composed mindset, rather than reacting impulsively out of fear or anxiety. For instance, taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the present moment can help us navigate through stressful moments with grace and composure. By embracing mindfulness as a transformative tool in managing stress, we empower ourselves to lead a more balanced and harmonious life. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some actionable strategies and exercises to help you cultivate a more mindful and stress-free existence. 1. Deep breathing. Start by taking slow, deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body, allowing yourself to relax and unwind. 2. Body scans. Close your eyes and bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Notice any tension or discomfort and gently release it with each exhale. 3. Mindful walking. Take a leisurely stroll outdoors and pay attention to each step you take. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the breeze on your skin, and the sights and sounds around you. Practice these techniques regularly to harness the power of mindfulness for optimal stress management and overall well-being. Transforming stress into serenity through mindfulness practices requires consistency and patience. Developing a mindfulness routine is a journey that takes time and dedication, but the rewards are well worth the effort. By integrating mindfulness into different aspects of your daily life, you can experience holistic well-being on a physical, mental, and emotional level. Start by incorporating mindfulness into activities such as eating, exercising, and even communicating with others. Over time, you'll notice a greater sense of calm, clarity, and resilience in the face of stressors. By cultivating a mindful approach to stress, you can enjoy long-term benefits such as improved focus, enhanced relationships, and a greater overall sense of peace and contentment. Embrace mindfulness as a powerful tool for transforming stress into serenity, and watch as your life transforms for the better. In conclusion, mindfulness is a transformative tool that can help you manage stress and cultivate serenity in your life. By practicing mindfulness techniques such as deep breathing, body scans, and mindful walking, you can enhance your well-being and build resilience in the face of life's challenges. Consistency and patience are key in developing a mindfulness routine that works for you, so remember to be gentle with yourself along the way. Subscribe for more content on personal growth and mental wellness to continue your journey towards a more mindful and balanced life.